Welcome back to ClearTask. Want to play Clash Royale on a big screen with zero lag and perfect mouse precision? Today, I will show you the official and easiest way to play Clash Royale on your PC, with no sketchy emulators required. First, open your favorite browser and search for Google Play Games on PC. Click the official link from Google, then click the download button. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file and follow the quick on-screen prompts to set it up. The installation only takes a minute or two. Once installed, launch the Google Play Games application. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. After logging in, navigate to the search bar located on the left side of your dashboard. Type in Clash Royale and hit enter. Click on the game profile, then click the green install button, exactly like you would on your phone. Wait a few moments for the download to finish, then click play. The game will launch seamlessly in optimized high definition. To load your existing mobile progress, simply complete the quick opening tutorial, click the menu button in the top right corner, and log in with your Supercell ID. Confirm your login, and that is it. All of your decks, trophies, and clan progress are completely synced. Now you are ready to dominate the arena with precise mouse controls. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next video.